to perform a frog dissection activity.
Before mag-dissect, we need to wear our personal protective equipment for our safety and to maintain a sterile environment. Let's put on our cap, remove accessories, put on gloves and masks as they are our main PPE. First thing is the external anatomy, where I observed that the frog's dorsal side color is dark green with black spots, and its ventral side is dirty white and also with black patterns. The hind legs are webbed with 5 toes, while the forelegs has 4. The eye color is dark green and its nictitating membrane is transparent. This frog is 11.5 cm and its tympanic membrane is 0.5 cm in diameter. We'll proceed sa anatomy of the frog's mouth. The first thing I did was to cut the jaw to expose all parts of its mouth. Then I observed first before I played with the tongue. It was attached to the front of the mouth. Then I read that it helps in catching a prey easily and it provides flexibility and fast movement. Then we have here the internal nostrils, the marine teeth, and maxillary teeth. We also have the glottis and the esophagus that leads to the stomach. Now for the most exciting part, the internal anatomy. First, I used cable ties to put the frog in place because I wouldn't want the frog that jumps in my face. Then I cut the skin, then muscles to expose the organs, and I was shocked to discover how much of an ovary inside my frog. Sorry, froggy. Then I remove all the organs. I started with the ovary to expose the organs better. After that, I observed ko muna the frog's organs. Then I noticed the heart is still beating. And here's the close-up look. Then, ang bilis ng mga pangyayari, I remove the organs one by one. Then, I kulit to insert my probe sa esophagus and it goes directly sa stomach. Dito, I remove the stomach with the large and small intestines connected. Just look at that. Then, I proceed to remove more until everything left was the bone. So here are the organs inside the frog. First, we have the liver that produces bile to help digestion. Large intestine absorbs water from waste. Small intestine completes digestion and absorbs nutrients. The heart, from 3-chambered heart, pumps oxygenated and deoxygenated blood through separate circuits to support respiration and circulation. And we have the spleen, filters frog's blood and store immune cells. We also have fat bodies, nag-store ng energy reserves that frogs. Stomach that breaks down food with digestive enzymes. Ovaries, where only female frogs have this and it produces eggs. We also have oviducts, where this coats eggs with jelly-like structure before laying. And of course the lung, where it takes oxygen and release carbon dioxide. I know I also remove a gallbladder, I just don't know where it is now. Each of these organs play a vital role in a frog's survival by supporting its overall well-being. Without them, the frog couldn't function, grow, or reproduce. And now we are done with the organs. Then here, I attempted to remove the frog's brain because it's fun. I started by scraping the skin with scalpel. I just followed the instructions provided because I never dissected a frog before. It is a kind of struggle because the bone is hard and I don't know if I'm doing it the right way, especially there were no videos available on YouTube. But then I kind of feel like the eyes are making it hard to do, so I decided to remove them from the inside because I struggled to remove them sa outside part. After removing the eyes, I continued to scrape and expose the bones in its head. While being so focused on doing this activity, the rain started to pour like OMG. Since I was outside Papa's shop, I needed to transfer sa may silong. But then, I did not know that my phone aren't recording the next process, so I was devastated. But I actually did not finish removing the entire brain because Papa and I needed to go home because of the heavy rain. This is the picture of the tiny brain part I got, and it's not focused. This is so chaotic. And that's the end of my video. Thank you.